Yo, wake up, samurai. Welcome back to PingPenguin. Look, I see you out there. You just flashed a fresh ISO of Kali, you're feeling like a net hunter, and the first thing you do is try to install a tool and brick your whole system. Stop it. You're acting like a nub. Today, we are jacking into the most underrated tool in the entire distro. It's called KaliTweak. It's the command center for your deck. It manages your Metapackages, tightens your ICE, and fixes those glitchy virtual machine drivers that make you want to punch your monitor. We're going to walk through every single menu so you can optimize your build for maximum damage. Let's hit the grid. Pop that terminal open. Green text on black, the way the gods intended. Type KaliTweak. Welcome to the construct. First stop, Metapackages. Hit enter. This is your weapons loadout. Now, pay attention. By default, Kali gives you the default selection. That's your top 100 tools. But maybe you're running heavy today. If you have the storage space and the bandwidth, you can select everything. That grabs every single tool in the repo. It's huge, but you'll never need internet access to crack a box again. On the flip side, maybe you're setting up a sniper nest, a remote VPS, or a Raspberry Pi. You don't need a GUI eating your RAM. Come in here and uncheck the desktop environment to go headless. You can also grab specific category packs like wireless, or Wi-Fi hacking, or visual if you need those GUI tools. Stop using apt-get for 500 separate tools. Do it here in one click. Back out to the main menu. Let's talk supply lines. Network repositories. Listen, most of you should stay on the rolling branch. It's stable-ish. But for you cowboys who need the absolute bleeding edge, zero-day software before it's even tested, you can switch to the last calling or experimental branches here. Just don't come crying to me when your drivers crash mid-session. Now, let's fix your interface. Go down to Shell and Prompt. By default, Kali rocks the ZSH shell. It's pretty, it's got auto-suggestions, it's preem. But I know some of you OGs miss the old bash terminal. You can switch it right here. More importantly, configure your prompt. I like the two-line prompt. Why? Because when you're 5 directories deep in a file system, a one-line prompt pushes your text off the screen. 2 lines gives you space to breathe. Configure it here, apply it, and look like a pro. Now for the number 1 complaint I get in the comments. Hey PingPenguin, why is my screen resolution garbage? Or, why can't I copy-paste from Windows to Kali? You're living in a simulation, kid. You're likely running Kali in a VM. Go to the Virtualization menu. This is the red pill. If you are on VMware or VirtualBox, this menu allows you to install additional tools and drivers specifically for your hypervisor. This enables shared folders. So you can drag files from your host to your guest, and it fixes the clipboard demon. If your copy-paste is broken, this is where you fix it. It also forces the GFX drivers so your resolution isn't stuck at 800 by 600. Do not skip this step. Last but definitely not least, we gotta tighten your IC. Go to Hardening. By default, Kali is loose. It assumes you're the only one on the machine. But if you're running this on a hostile network, you need shields up. In here, you can disable passwordless Sudo. Make yourself type that password every time. Check out the SSH client settings. You can flip the switch to support legacy encryption algorithms. Why? Because sometimes you're hacking a server from 1998 and it uses ancient keys. Modern Kali won't talk to it unless you enable wide compatibility. Here. But for daily driving, keep it on strong security. That's it. That's KaliTweaks. It's built in, it's fast, and it stops you from looking like a script kiddie. Customize your build, secure your box, and get to work. This is PingPenguin, and I'll catch you on the next video.